Judy's Cooking 360. So today we're gonna make the easiest pizza sauce. So I'm using one can, a small can of crushed tomatoes, actually pureed tomatoes, and 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. You got to give it some balance. And then we have here, let me just mix this a little. And then we have here a tablespoon and a half of meat seasoning of your choice. You have to put some form of meat seasoning so you have some really good flavor. You're looking for flavor on your pizza sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So you get some really, really good flavor in here, guys. And this can do a 15-inch pizza easily. You just make sure you stir everything up so you can get that full. So look at that. See that, guys? Look at that. Thick, rich, and flavorful. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me on Judy's Cooking 360. See you guys next time.